going on, guys? Justin here from FLIPZCO. We are at Little Ricky's shop right now, hanging out. We're gonna work on the 240. March 1st is a day we all link up. We all just kind of get our cars prepped for the season. I did one last year, but didn't really get to drive as much because we had motor issues. This year, we're gonna start off fresh. The motor's running great. We're just gonna go back there. We're gonna do normal things. I kind of want to compression test my car, just see what's going on with that. I got Danny Heats with me as well, so definitely follow him below. I'm gonna put his link. He's gonna be one of our main filmers for the vlog and also like show content and features and whatnot, so definitely follow him up. And yeah, we're just gonna start by working on my 240. I missed the car. I haven't seen it in a really long time. Kind of forgot that I owned one after this long winter. But we're supposed to get a nor'easter storm tonight, so we're gonna try and get everything done as soon as we possibly can, and then you know, move from there. Yo, what's up, dude? What, you don't want to talk?
No, not talking.
Yo, he gets shy as hell real quick. Yo, Danny, do you know what you're doing, or did you just look up YouTube tutorials?
I think it was just YouTube, to be honest.
Yeah? Do you do it for the girls? Do you swipe left or swipe right on Tinder?
Most of the time it's right.
If you want to support us, we've been posting new hoodies, and we're going to be posting a bunch of new shirts as well. So if you can and you want to support the channel, definitely pick up a shirt, pick up a sticker, pick up anything. We're also doing a giveaway once we hit 10K. So that's something that I'm gonna get to when we get closer to that. But we do appreciate the 7,700 subscribers. And thank you guys for watching all our videos, and we're gonna try and keep pumping out more content. March starts a day that I really wanna start moving into weekly vlogs and starting to push a little bit harder. I wanna give it my all and just try. And with Danny helping me, Dustin helping me at the shop with the shirts, I can't thank you guys enough, and we're going to keep pumping out more content for you and keeping it simple. I got you on the vlog.
Oh, you do. Hi, baby. How are you?
How you doing? So,
I'm good.
So you know what today is, right?
No, what's today?
Ricky found out that the girl that he was messing with got pregnant, so your grandma. Dude, she's about it, man! Oh, man, you're
While he eats, come on. What's up, dude?
This is like the best time to get him, is when he's eating.
Make his bite. No, I'll eat this whole thing in one
Yo,
shot.
Mac,
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Dare for the camera.
Yo, I dare you for the camera. You can't take
do it for the gram! Put the whole thing in his mouth?
Put the whole thing in your mouth. You put a lot of things in your mouth.
I'll tell you what, I'm not gonna fucking do it. Keep your goggles on, dude. Safety.
I have my goggles on.
No, you don't. Your eyes aren't even open.
I know how to Google. Tell me you got that. Did you get that? I don't know. What'd you do? I like macked the shit out of the tree with my camera.
I think I did get that. What's up, man?
Hi, how's your Arizona iced tea?
It's really good. You're gonna need that for your compression test in Arizona.
Sure they can.
Arizona, if you want to sponsor, I want a Miller Lite sponsorship though. Not really an Arizona sponsorship.
Yeah, well, we don't do NASCAR, so.
All right, so I'll take an Arizona sponsorship if we get one. We're gonna do a compression test on Justin's motor because it runs terrible, like all the time. I commented on it. I said it has a dead cylinder, and we don't even know if that's true. But I just can't let anyone buy this thing. First things first, get your tools together. You're going to need a 3/8 ratchet of some kind. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can go to Lowe's and get these tools like cheap. Get an extension, a 5/8 spark plug socket, and a 10 so that you can take the coil packs out of the motor. And then you need a compression tester of some kind. It doesn't need to be like a real expensive one. This one's a Mac one and it works awesome, but you can use a Harbor Freight one. They're not that bad.
Harbor Freight?
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather you didn't, but if you had to, you could. Wet and spicy. Okay. All right, this is getting weird. I'm gonna start the car, all right?
Okay. So what do you do?
All right, so you got to start the car because you want the engine to be warm when you do this compression test. Not like blazing hot, but you want it up to temperature so that your test results are correct, like the cylinder sealed correctly. Taking the spark plugs out when the motor is hot, you don't want to like hit them with an impact gun or doing nothing reckless, you know?
If you're following this tutorial, make sure it runs to 350 degrees.
Do not let it get to 300, nowhere even near 3, it's gonna lock up way before 350, but like
300. You guys ever watch the movie 300?
150.
300 sounds like a great odd number.
We're gonna get this motor to like 170
Yeah.
and then do it, yeah. That's like, the thermostat's like just trying to open. Everyone knows, we're not like revving this thing up just to be cool. This car's been sitting for a minute, so we're trying to rev it up to make sure all the piston rings reseat in the cylinder the way they should be. And just because you fire it up and let it idle until it gets warm, like, doesn't necessarily mean they're gonna seat the way they should be seated. Sometimes they will be, but sometimes they won't. You can get a ring to stick in the piston sometimes.
Or you can get the piston in the ring.
You're so goofy. It hurts. It hurts.
As long as we're over 160 and everything's like in line and nothing's off, there's no bad cylinder, we're gonna keep this motor and then we're gonna single turbo it. Pray that we are Gucci, but I'm pretty sure right now everything's gonna work out fine. And I think the temp right now, we are around 170 where we want to be. And we're gonna start taking out the plug.
That is correct. And to get to these spark plugs, we gotta take these coil packs out.
I just think there's a lot of gunk in there.
You think so?
That's probably why it's running.
It's a new set of coil packs though, ain't it?
No, not a new set.
Well,
I mean,
a new
use set.
A new use set, yeah.
Any of the subs have a 1J with somewhat good coil packs, no cracks, no nothing. Definitely contact me. I will buy them off of you. We're looking for them. Yellow jackets, preferably. That'd be great. Yeah. But I also don't want to spend like $900 on coil packs. So,
or if anyone out there has got an HKS DLI,
he also tells me I need an AEM. I need an AEM Infinity as well, and I need a single turbo, and I need a lot of money for this car. So, the Supra is going to run a lot better than this thing.
I would just pull the motor out of the Supra and put it in this.
In the Poopra?
Yeah, f that boat. Oh. You need an air filter bad.
Nah, this thing's mint.
This thing's bad, dude. You need an air filter now.
That air filter is mint, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, but like I think we're Gucci. Look at that thing.
That's bad.
Why? Why is that bad?
That's pretty good. It's not good. I'd buy that.
Put it back.
If you guys need an air filter, we're selling one. It's a Spectre 2.0. And it's got a lot of airflow, if you can't tell. But yeah. Damn, I need an air filter now. Why'd I do that?
I don't know. You're the one. I just said, look at that air filter, and then you ripped it off like Tarzan. So what do you do?
I guess I'm working in the gym. All season was working. I was on Chris Allen's mechanical bike today.
Oh, it's outside?
Yeah.
In the rain?
Yeah. And it's held. It uses tension with a bungee cord.
How often does he lube the chain? Does it have a chain? Probably doesn't have a chain, right?
No.
All right, you want to grab me a piece of cardboard so I can lay these plugs out in order?
Well, I got new plugs. Should we put new ones in? Bro.
Hey, I've been through it.
What?
I've been through it. They always run the best before they blow up.
We're gonna get this car 110% guaranteed. Well, Ricky is. I'm just gonna watch him do it. If the Volkswagen bus drives a lot better than this drift car, for sale.
Both of them. Package deal.
With a trailer made out of another Volkswagen bus.
Yeah, for the right price, we'll do anything. This one looks shut. Maybe you had the piston come up and hit one. You got new ones?
In the truck, but they're leaned out.
I haven't kept these in any kind of order.
They're lean. The ones that are in my truck right now are lean.
These all look lean. This is the part that screws into the cylinder that is going to be taking the compression reading.
So we need to be here. So up there somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah, crank it and just don't touch the gas pedal. I'll hold
So what is he doing? Here, this button.
All right.
Good. Alright, so that one was 180. Cylinder one's always the good one.
Wow, dude, why do you have to say that?
It's just how it works. That one's the closest to all the coolant. Good?
What was that?
180. 2 is always the second best cylinder.
Shut the hell up, bro. Got my fingers crossed. We're at 3.
Yep.
2 looking good.
Which
3.
one do you think it is, if anyone?
It's got to be the far the
6,
back one.
6. 6 dead. This thing might be good. It probably just needs a computer. You got it wide open?
Get to it. So every time a cylinder goes off, we're gonna go wop 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 wop. You know.
Like 175. I mean, that was the 3rd worst cylinder. It only gets worse from here, just so you know.
We're at 5. We're at 5. So this is the second worst case scenario. And then the first worst case scenario is cylinder 6. And I'm starting, the nerves are kicking in. So we went 180, 180, 180, 175. Valve came off. So he's fixing that. And then we're gonna compression test the last 2 cylinders. Doing anything.
She's good, dude.
I don't know, dude. We're at the first worst case scenario now.
Yeah, if there's a bad cylinder in it, it's gonna be 6.
I'm thinking 6 is stronger than 5.
Yeah?
Yeah, just watch. She looked good.
Tyler, don't say it's 6.
She looked good. She looked good. What'd I say? What'd I say though?
Bum, 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 bum.
6 is my guy. That's my guy.
I guess,
Drive together, man. Single turbo, here we come. Motor's compressed.
Motor's compressed.
No, compression test went well. 180 down the board besides cylinder 3, 175, or is that just because of the crank?
it could have been because the crank was slowing down on it, so I'd safely say it was 180-ish across the board.
All right, so 180 down the board, that's what we're looking for.
Plus or minus 5, it's okay.
Minus 10, because Ricky Moran touched it, and this motor loves him, not me. Maybe it's just because I drive like terribly. I suck. So probably that's what it is. We're gonna go for that, change the fluids, get this thing all lubricated, and then after that, send it. So, all right, guys. I don't know what else to show you. So.
I mean, the limiter sounds kind of funky, but it's all right. Like, it doesn't need to hit the limiter. Tyler Z doesn't hit the limiter.
Oh.
We're gonna need a new air filter. We're gonna need to basically wash this whole car down, get it all as clean as possible. I want to take the seats out, degrease everything in here. Probably gonna try a new computer, like Ricky Moran was saying, and then we'll go from there. But
Please like,
Dicks.
subscribe.
Share. What was I supposed to say? Dicks, right? That was my line?
And if you guys want to support the channel, definitely pick some FLIPZCO gear up. We're gonna be dropping a lot of new content, a lot of new clothing, and a bunch of apparel. So definitely follow Danny Heats as well. He's going to be our main filmer for 2018 and basically forever. So definitely follow Danny.
He wishes.
Whoa!
I'm just kidding.
Boy!
I'm just kidding.
Shit, dude. No, but yeah. For 240 content, for Porsche 911 content, and we're going to race this Mustang.
Definitely not racing that Mustang. The Mustang's never moving, ever.